Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Annam Brahmam channel with another healthy and delicious recipe. Everyone is fond of idlis. Generally, idlis will be prepared using rice, idli rice, and we have to soak it the previous day, grind the batter and ferment it overnight. So it is a lengthy process, of course. And this idli, which is rava idli, is an instant idli which can be prepared within half an hour. So let us see about this recipe. Before beginning my videos, surrendering my deep gratitude to my Guru, Bhagavan, His Divine Holiness, Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, who is the embodiment of Paramashiva himself. Today we will see how to prepare an idli. Generally, idli will be made of rice. Here I am using rava. So instead of normal idli, and we need not ferment and soak it for a long time, it is just a half an hour work. Just preparation time is 10 minutes, soaking time is 10 minutes and cooking time is 10 minutes. That's it. Within half an hour, we can prepare instant rava idli. Let us see the ingredients required for this. Rava 1 cup. I have taken 1 medium sized carrot and grated it. 1 small cup of curd, little coriander leaves. Ginger I have grated. Sometimes if we chop it and put, people may not like to crunch it. So I have grated the ginger. 1 tablespoon of salt. 2 red chilies, cut it into pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of chana dal and 1 tablespoon of oil. Heat the pan and pour oil. Once the oil is heated, we will add mustard seeds. As the mustard seeds started getting splattered, we will add chana dal, cumin seeds, red chili and ginger. Fry all the ingredients, all the spices, and add turmeric powder also. Then we will add the carrot and nicely mix well. Just mix it well for 1 minute so that the carrot gets slightly cooked. Do not allow the carrot to complete cook. It should be half cooked because we will steam in the idli also. Then we will add rava and nicely mix well. Adding turmeric powder is optional. Since I wanted to bring rava into colorful, I added turmeric powder. You can skip turmeric powder also if you want white idli. Just allow it to roast it for 2-3 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying, switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. Now in a bowl, transfer the roasted rava. We will add coriander leaves, salt and finally curd. Nicely mix well. If you want, you can add little bit of water, but do not make the batter so loosey in water. It should be slightly thick. See, try to add curd instead of water because as you add more and more water, the idli will not become bulged. It will become flat. So we try to add as much as only curd. So this is the perfect consistency. As we just take it and keep it on the idli plate, it should be nice. So just this is the perfect consistency. Allow it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just close it. Take a idli plate and oil on each groove on the idli plate and nicely grease it on all the corners, so that when we take the idli after steaming, it will be very proper without breaking. See, after 15 minutes how thick it has become. So if you want, you can add or sprinkle some water. So little water you can add and nicely mix well. We can add on each groove. When we take 1 cup of rava, it will come for 8 to 10 idlis, which can be served for 2 to 3 people. Now I have served in 2 plates. In an idli steamer, I have kept little water and allowed it to boil. Now after boiling, we will place the idli plate and close it and leave it for 8 to 10 minutes. Keep the flame in medium. Do not keep it in high or low. Minutes, I just open to check whether the idli has cooked. We just insert the fork and take it out. See, it is not sticking in the fork, so it has completely cooked. We will remove it out. Now we can serve it on the plate. Here I have taken nice fresh banana leaf. Just scoop it using the spoon and see how beautifully it has come. Tasty rava idli is prepared, hot and served in banana leaf. It will be so tasty. Delicious rava idli is prepared and served with coconut chutney and pudina and coriander chutney. That is mint and coriander chutney together. It will be so tasty. Please try this recipe and give your valuable comments. If you are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends too. Thank you. Have a nice day.